My name is Audrey Plick, and I live at 9597 Fremont in Montclair. And I had a terrible ordeal about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and I called Roto-Rooter, and Roto-Rooter got in touch with the Restoration of Pinnacle, and they came right away. My bathroom was flooded, my little room was flooded, and the hall was flooded, and they worked very hard to get this water out. And they put the fans in to dry and to make sure the floor was dry and the water was not in the walls for, what do you call it, mold. And I was glad of that because they didn't have to do it, but he did it. Made sure the floor was dry, and then they brought swatches for me to choose my own carpet to put back. And before that, they painted my room and the bathroom, and they made it just excellent. And I wouldn't get anybody else. I'm hoping I never have another flood, but I wouldn't get anybody else to do anything but Pinnacle. They are extraordinary good. They're very polite. They're on time, and they do their very best to please their customers. And thank you very much.